Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the exact Infinix model and Android build, so you download correct files. This avoids mismatched binaries. Back up your important data, then enable developer options and turn on USB debugging so tools can communicate. Once done, charge the phone above 50% and use the original cable to prevent interruptions. Now connect to a PC, if needed, and prepare the required firmwares or fingerprint APKs specific to your model. These prerequisites let you now attempt to re-add fingerprints and observe error messages to guide the fix. This tells you whether it's a software or hardware issue. If software, clear cache and data for biometric services and the fingerprint app, then reboot and retry. If still missing, install the matching vendor fingerprint APK or replace the fingerprint HAL module with the build that matches your ROM because mismatched vendor components hide options. Make sure to use files for your exact model to restore the option correctly. You finish by rebooting into a clean system state, re-enable biometrics, and enroll fingerprints to confirm the option returns. If the option stays missing, consider flashing the stock firmware, or, as a last resort, factory reset after backing up because system corruption can remove the biometric UI. If problems persist, test the sensor in safe mode or with a diagnostic app to rule out hardware failure. This one key troubleshooting step prevents unnecessary flashing when the sensor itself is faulty.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.